Hey guys, it's Lily, and welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add pictures to a TikTok video, so without any further ado, let's jump right in. So I've got TikTok open here, and the very first thing you want to do is go to the bottom of the screen and select the plus icon where you'd normally make a TikTok post. So the process is pretty much the same, and then you'll want to go to Effects, which is to the left of the record button. So select green screen over here, which is where most of your picture effects are located. Then you have a handful of options for adding photos to your videos. A picture effect is any effect that includes a photo of the sun in the grass but does not include the play sign. You can tap on any of them. You can also save any of these effects if you like them. So this one right here, which you can use to make an image as your video's background, and you can record directly in front of it. Or you can flip the camera because this effect uses your selfie camera, and then select one of these images from your photo gallery. And I've picked one right here, and all I have to do now is record, and then I'll have a photo. And when I'm done, I'll tap Effects one last time and then select the stop sign right here to return, and now I could still continue my video again. If I press the checkmark and go to the next page, as you can see, it starts with a video, continues to the picture from my gallery, and then again to that video. And I believe that's all. So this is how you add photos to your TikTok videos. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about this video, please post them in the comments section below.